Alright everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So what you have to do, just go to your cell phone, or it will work on the PC also. Go to the YouTube, and then what you have to do, just I'll go from the starting. So suppose that you open the YouTube and it look like that, what you can do, just go to your the profile, and once you click it, what you have to do, you have to hit the setting. Once you hit the setting, you will see this all the tab. So you have to hit the general. Once you hit the general, what you have to do, if this mode is on, this is the restricted mode, where you, if you want to watch like adults videos or something, that's how you just turn off, and this is how you are going to do that. Once you turn off, you can watch any videos, and if it's turned on, then you're not able to watch 18 plus content or something like that. All right, so in this video this month, and I'll see you the next one. Thank you so much for watching.